Miss Priyadarshini, MBBS student 2019 batch from BRD Medical College Gorakhpur. So before starting this series, जो बच्चे नए हैं उन्हें पता होना चाहिए कि इस सीरीज में हम पास्ट 35 इयर्स के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, हर चैप्टर वाइज कर रहे हैं. हमने लिविंग वर्ल्ड एंड द लिविंग वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ 11th NCERT हम कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं, 2 वीडियोस हैं उसकी. देन ये हम बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन के ये दूसरा पार्ट है. देन लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड हाउ यू हैव टू डू दिस. राइट आंसर्स के लिए आपको +4 देने हैं, गलत आंसर पे आपको -1 एंड देन आपको क्वेश्चन खुद सॉल्व करना है. देन गो फॉर द सॉल्यूशन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो लास्ट पार्ट में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 किया था. सो 20 का आंसर मैंने नहीं बताया था, होपफुली आपको पता होगा. इसका आंसर क्या है? इसका आंसर ए है. Morels and truffles are poisonous mushrooms? No, they are edible. They are not poisonous. So wrong statement क्या है? 20 का आंसर है. So 21 सॉल्व करते हैं. सेल वॉल इज एब्सेंट इन, बताया था, ये हम लास्ट में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. क्या क्या आंसर है? माइकोप्लाज्म. माइकोप्लाज्म क्या होते हैं? सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है, इनमें सेल वॉल एब्सेंट होती है और दे आर एनारोबिक्स. देन लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. ट्रू न्यूक्लियस इज एब्सेंट इन सी. क्यों? क्योंकि ये क्या है? ये मोनेरा किंगडम का एग्जांपल है. सो एनाबेना इज an example of Monera kingdom. They don't have true nucleus. So answer is 22 का आंसर C है. Then move to next question 23. Which of the following matches is correct? Correct देखना है हमें. So correct कौन सा है? Mucor, reproduction by conjugation, ascomycetes? No. ये आंसर क्या है? ये गलत मैच है. उसके बाद एगेरिकस, पैरासिटिक फंजाई एंड बेसिडोमाइसिटीज? नो, ये भी गलत है. फाइटोफोरा, एसेप्टेट माइसीलियम, बेसिडोमाइसिटीज? नो, ये भी गलत है. तो अल्टरनेरिया, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन एब्सेंट? यस. ड्यूट्रोमाइसिटीज? यस. तो इसका आंसर क्या है? डी. 23 का आंसर क्या है? डी. 23 का आंसर हमारा डी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 5 किंगडम क्लासिफिकेशन RH विटेकर ने किसके बेसिस पे नहीं दिया था? इट वाज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन, दैट वाज बेस्ड ऑन वेल डिफाइंड न्यूक्लियस? यस. दैट वाज ऑन मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन? यस. कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी? यस. मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन पे नहीं था. सो इसका आंसर क्या है? 24 का आंसर बी है. बी. मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन के बेसिस पे नहीं किया था उसने क्लासिफिकेशन. ओके, ये सारे 5 बेसिक आइडियाज पे उसने अपना क्लासिफिकेशन दिया था. सो 5 किंगडम क्लासिफिकेशन कौन से 5 पॉइंट्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए RH विटेकर ने किया था वो याद होने चाहिए. सारे को देखो एक बार जाके. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. Which of the following shows coiled RNA strand and capsomers? Yes. इसका आंसर क्या है? इसका आंसर बी है. Tobacco mosaic virus. A big beautiful diagram is given in your NCERT. So that is the example of tobacco mosaic virus and it shows coiled RNA structures, strands and capsomers. Okay, then let's move to next question. Viruses have, it's question number 26. Viruses have DNA enclosed in a protein coat. They have prokaryotic nucleus. They have single chromosome, both DNA, RNA. Viruses have DNA enclosed in a protein coat. Yes. Look, all viruses do not have DNA enclosed, but majorly we are talking about virus. The more correct option is first. First is the most correct. Why? Because they don't have prokaryotic nucleus, they don't have chromosome, both RNA and DNA. But most correct is DNA, because either they have DNA, either they have RNA. Though they don't have both things at the same time. So most correct. Look, इसमें हमें most correct देखना है. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में हमें देखना था most correct कौन सा. तो most correct कौन सा है? ऑप्शन A. So let's move to next question. Archaebacteria differ from eubacteria in? Yes. क्या है इसका आंसर? Because archaebacteria can live in harsh conditions, though those conditions cannot be tolerated by eubacteria. they could have same mode of nutrition, cell shape, mode of reprise, this could be same. So answer is A. 27 का answer A है. Let's move to next question. Which structure perform the function of mitochondria in bacteria? Yes, we know that mitochondria is absent in prokaryotic cells, so they have special structure which is called mesosomes. Mesosomes perform the similar function as that of mitochondria in the eukaryotic cell. So this point is to be noted. Mesosomes perform the action of mitochondria. Next question. Motile bacteria are able to move by. Yes, we have discussed it before. It is due to the flagella. Flagella helps in the movement, in the locomotion. So next question. Anoxygenic photosynthesis is characteristic of. Yes, it is anoxygenic. So it's rhodospirillum. Yes, it is rhodospirillum. It is oxygenic. अल्वा में भी ऑक्सीजनिक होता है, क्लेमेडोमोनास में भी ऑक्सीजनिक होता है. So only rhodospirillum is the option which is correct because they don't go for the oxygenic. They perform anoxygenic without presence of oxygen photosynthesis. Then next question, which of the following are likely to be present in deep sea water? What could be the answer? Yes. Deep sea water has a very harsh conditions and everyone cannot be there. Every organism cannot survive there. So these harsh conditions. So what do you think? Harsh conditions, only archaebacteria are those which can tolerate the thermoacidophils. Yes. So these can tolerate such situations. So answer is C. 31 का C answer है. 31 का C, archaebacteria is the right answer. So let's move to next question. Pigment containing membranous extensions in some cyanobacteria are. Yes. Answer to this question is chromatophores. Yes, these are the chroma signifies the color. Color is about, they are talking about pigment. So here is given chromata. So chromatophores is the pigment containing membranous extension in some cyanobacteria. So chromatophores is the answer. Let's move to next question. Question number 33. Yes. Why is a capsule advantageous to a bacterium? Yes. So answer is, they protect bacteria from desiccation. They provide mean of locomotion. Locomotion is not associated with the capsule. Locomotion is with the help of flagellum. It allows bacteria to hide from the host immune system. Yes. The function of capsule is to provide safety. It provides protection from the immune system, macrophages. These capsules provide a safety protection to the bacteria. So it is the answer is that they allows bacterium to hide from the host immune system. Hide means that they can survive there because the host's immune system cannot harm them as such as easy. So question D, it allows bacterium to attach to surface. No, it's a adhesion. Adhesion is by the fimbria and pimpilus. So it's C is the right answer. The next question, which one of the following is true for fungi? Yes. They have a rigid cell wall. Do you think so? No. They are heterotrophs. Yes, they are heterotrophs. Let's see more options. They lack nuclear membrane. No, they are eukaryotic, so they have nuclear membrane. They are phagotrophs. No, answer is B. 34 का answer B है because they are heterotrophs. They do not go for their own cooking of their food or making own nutrition. Which one of the following is true for the fungi. Yes. We have discussed it through. This is the same question. So 35. Which statement is wrong for the viruses? Yes, they are parasites. Yes, they act as a parasites in the host cells. All of them have helical symmetry. All. Do you think it's all? So answer here we get the answer. Answer is B. Yes, they have ability to synthesize nucleic acids and proteins. No. They can synthesize acid proteins in the host cell. The antibiotics have no effect on them. So most correct answer is B. So what is the answer? Answer is B. Let's move to next question. Maximum nutritional diversity is found in the group. It's direct question. Yes. Answer is C. Monera kingdom has autotrophic and heterotrophic. They have diverse nutritional abilities. So answer is 36. They have the answer. Right answer is C. So next question. Question number. We have done this. Question number 37. Nuclear membrane is absent in. So nuclear membrane is absent in. We know they are absent in Monera kingdom. So penicillium, these. So the word nostoc is the example. So nostoc is the member of Monera kingdom, and the answer is D. Direct question and direct answer. The cyanobacterium also referred to as cyanobacteria. Yes, they are also referred as blue-green algae. Yes, blue-green algae. Then next question. Question number 39. Most abundant prokaryotes helpful to human in making curd from milk in production of antibiotics are the ones categorized as. So what will be the answer? Those are milk heterotrophic. So not this. It's heterotrophic bacteria. Right answer is D. 39 का सही answer D है. So mark it. And if you found any extra point, so you can write it down on your notebook. Question number 40. Which one single organism or the pair of organism is correctly assigned to its or their named taxonomic group? Answer is Paramecium and Plasmodium belongs to the same kingdom as that of Penicillium. No. Lichen is composite organism formed from symbiotic association of algae and protozoa. No, it's fungi. Yeast used in making bread, beer is a fungus. Yes, we have got the answer. Answer is C. Nostoc and Ibn are examples of? No, they are examples of eubacteria. So answer is C. C is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following microbes form symbiotic association with plants and helps in their nutrition? Yes, इसका answer है glomus. Write it down. Correct answer is glomus. 42. In the 5 kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlora has been included in. Yes, they are included in. They are included in Protista. They are included in Protista. Yes, Protista is the right answer. Then question number 43. Which of the following acts as a catalyst